Sometimes in trading, picking the right moment is impossible. There are hundreds of indicators that try to guess the tops and bottoms of the market, all using different methodologies. From overbought, oversold, to support and resistance. But all of these have their problems. They are looking at a single dimension of the market, the price. However, we have a second dimension no one is using, time itself. By looking at how the market behaves and for how long trends are lasting during market conditions, we can forecast out and determine how long the next trend will last, allowing us to take profits and enter even faster. So that's why we, at Chart Prime, created the trend duration forecast. Once loaded on your chart, you'll see a simple green and red trend following line. This is an HMA, Inspired Trend Tracker, that's super easy to use. When the asset is in an uptrend, it's green, and when it's in a downtrend, it's red, of course. Here, for example, we were in a downtrend, and the line turned green, making this a fantastic point to enter a long position. We then saw the price explode upwards. This central line also acts as a magnet to the price. We see the price is drawn towards this area of the market, and it frequently comes back and bounces off of it, making a perfect support and resistance level too. Now, the magic part. This indicator tells you the probable length of the trend. When the trend tracking line turns green here, a probable length is generated at the bottom. This tells us how long we can expect this trend to last. For example, here, we see a high probable length when the line turns green. This gives us confidence in our long position, since we know that this is likely the start of a big push in the market. We then see the price action play out and reverses exactly the number of bars later. At the origin of the turning point of the trend following line, we also see the real length of the trend for reference. Here, for example, we were in an uptrend and the line turns red, and then we see the probable length is very short. This is how we know this is not a place to take a short and rather is a retracement. This number is super valuable for us as traders. At the bottom right corner, we also see the average number of bars for uptrends and downtrends. A higher uptrend value suggests the market is generally more bullish and long should be favored, and a lower downtrend value suggests bearish moves are shorter lived. For Chart Prime Pro users, you of course can forecast the market using our flagship order blocks, which give you a precise expectation of where price will travel in the future by analyzing bull and bear volumes. But back to our indicator here. For traders that prefer a longer length swinging experience, trend sensitivity and length can be increased to produce more smooth trend signals, and for scalpers this can be reduced. Analyzing a whole new dimension, time, can help us forecast out markets and make us smarter traders. If you want to use this indicator 100% free, search for trend duration forecast and use this one by Chart Prime. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and join our Discord.